Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. The police say they are confident they will find those responsible for sending illegal weapons to Jamaica. This after a second gun find at the Freeport Wharf in Montego Bay, St. James in less than 2 weeks. In the latest find on Friday, the police seized 59 illegal weapons. Kirk Wright reports.
In a release to the media, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey explained that the operation which led to the seizure of the 59 firearms was intelligence-led. He said it involved the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Jamaica Customs, and some international partners.
The firearm consists of 5 rifles and 54 handguns. There were also 101 assorted rounds of ammunition found.
Before Friday's seizure, 20 firearms were seized at the same location over a week ago on January 28. DCP Bailey says the police have strengthened their relationship with the international partners to seize more firearms coming into the island. He says they have also increased the intelligence capabilities of the police force.
These weapons are weapons of destruction. They are not sent to shoot birds, they are sent to shoot human beings. And when you consider within the past 2 or 3 weeks, we have seized in excess of 85 firearms. We do not manufacture firearms in Jamaica. When we consider the destruction that these firearms can cause, we are really appealing to the public that whenever you get information regarding firearms, tell us. We will do the necessary in identifying and locating those who are responsible.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.